like a Hellcat.
Welcome to my channel, Ruma's Classes. Today we'll read the chapter The Little Red Shoes, adapted from Short Stories for Children. This is a story about a little girl, Jane, who used to throw tantrums for whatever she wanted, and she forcibly told her mother to get it for her. Now let's read the story. Jane was a proud little girl. She wanted to have all the lovely things she saw in a shop window, like dresses, shoes, necklaces, braids, to make herself look pretty so that she could show off in front of all the other little girls. Means Jane was a proud little girl and हर चीज़ के लिए वो ज़िद करती थी कि उसको जो कुछ भी दिख जाता उसको चाहिए होती थी वो चीज़, बी इट ड्रेसेस और शूज़ और नेकलेसेस और ब्रेड्स, ब्यूटीफुल सी नकली बाल कह सकते हैं हम उसको, या कोई ब्यूटीफुल सी स्ट्रिंग्स जो हेयर में हैंग करती हूँ, so that she could look pretty and she could show off in front of other girls. She would throw tantrum in order to get what she wanted, and her poor mother had to buy it for her to get her to stop crying, even though she never had much money. Means she was not from a very rich family as she could buy anything she wanted. Her mother was not very rich, but she had to do it. She had to forcibly purchase those things, whatever she wanted, because she wanted her not to cry much. That means her mother loved her so much that she couldn't see her crying. Recently, Jane threw a tantrum for a pair of red dancing shoes. I want them. I don't care. I want them. Her mother got it for her even though it left her without a penny in her pocket. So again, Jane started. As always, she wanted those red pair of shoes and she said she doesn't care for anything and she wanted it. But her mother, since she did not have much money, so she was very worried because after purchasing those shoes, उनके पास बिल्कुल भी कुछ भी पैसे नहीं बचे थे. She came out of the shop very worried because she had no money left to buy vegetables for their next meal, whereas Jane was jumping up and down in delight. Obviously, mother is an understanding, mature lady, so when the shoes were already bought for Jane, she was left with no money to buy vegetables. उनके अगले खाने के लिए भी उनके पास पैसे नहीं बचे थे जिससे वो कुछ vegetables खरीद सके. But Jane, as always, she was least bothered. She was enjoying and she was jumping up and down in her shoes. A strange man dressed in ragged clothes with an old hat on his head and a beard half red and half white had been watching Jane for some time and wanted to teach her a lesson. So, an old man was watching Jane for a very long time and he could easily make out that Jane is not doing the right thing, so he wanted to teach her a lesson. उसको सबक सिखाना चाहते थे वो. He went up to Jane and said to her, "Little girl, these are dancing shoes. You are going to enjoy them." So he went up to Jane and started talking to her. He wanted to start a conversation with her. So he said, "You are going to enjoy in these shoes a lot." And then maybe he was something like a magician. He cast a spell on Jane and Jane began to dance and could not stop. तो उस ओल्ड मैन ने कुछ जादू किया जेन पे एंड उससे हुआ क्या कि जेन स्टार्टेड डांसिंग एंड शी कुड नॉट स्टॉप हर सेल्फ. द रेड शूज टुक जेन वेर एवर दे विश्ड. मीन्स नाउ जेन वॉज मूविंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द विश ऑफ द शूज. मीन्स शी वॉज नॉट मूविंग एज पर हर चॉइस. द लिटिल गर्ल एंडेड अप इन अ डीप वुड. मीन्स दो शूज टुक हर टू द जंगल, फॉरेस्ट, जंगल में ले गए. She went on dancing among bramble bushes and stony paths till her shoes had worn out completely. Means she kept on dancing there and among those thorny bushes और कंटीले पौधों के बीच में जो उसको चुभ रहे थे या तकलीफ़ हो रही थी जिनसे, उनके बीच वो डांस करती रही और वो स्टोनी पाथ पे भी उसको ले गए जब तक वो शूज़ का सोल बिल्कुल नीचे से ख़त्म नहीं हो गया, बिल्कुल शूज़ टूट फूट के बेकार नहीं हो गए. तब तक she had to keep on and on moving with those shoes. When there were no soles left, Jane had to walk back home through the stinging nettles in the forest bare feet. सो अब क्या हुआ, अब तो शूज़ बिल्कुल ख़त्म, सोल उसकी बिल्कुल वॉर्न आउट. सो व्हाट डिड जेन हैव टू डू? जेन हैड टू वॉक बेयर फुट बैक होम. और वो छोटे छोटे से देखे होंगे ब्राउन कलर के, बिल्कुल नट्स टाइप्स होते हैं बिल्कुल, और उसमें कीले कांटे कांटे से होते हैं पूरे में, और वो कहीं भी चुभ जाते हैं ना, बहुत तेज़ लगती है. सो ऑल दोज वर ऑल्सो pricking her in her feet. Suddenly Jane woke up. It had all been a horrible dream, but it was enough to cure Jane of her selfish pride. Oh, thank God. That means Jane was dreaming all this. This wasn't real. But at least she had learnt a lesson that when you do something wrong, when you create a fuss to your parents, you trouble them too much, something bad is bound to happen to you. That is enough to make you learn proper things and good things, that how you should be behaving. She went to her mother and said, "Mummy, please forgive me. I've been a horrible child. I will never do this again." Her mother hugged her and said, "It's okay, Jane. I'm sure you will be a good girl now." Jane had learnt her lesson the hard way. Means now Jane had understood that it was not right on her part to be troubling her mother every time for little small things, and creating a scene every time and throwing tantrums every time. And her mother also understood maybe the child has improved now and she won't behave like this again. So you all must be good children. Don't trouble your parents, obey them, don't demand anything and everything that you see, because everything is not possible that you should have it. So this is all in the video. Please, you have any doubts, write in the chat box. I will reply. And if you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.